Hi guys, welcome back here again our YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang dito, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel for more helpful online tutorials. Okay, so today guys, let's have another video tutorial kung paano mag-download at mag-upload ng BEIS report this school year 2026 sa ating LIS accounts. Okay, so simulan na po natin. So type lis.deped.gov.ph, then login lang tayo, ilagay ang ating surname, then ating password. Then check nyo yung sign in. So dito, no, makita natin yung ating LIS, then click mo lang yung close. Ayan, so after dyan is click mo itong name ng yung school head. Ayan. Then, hanapin nyo dito yung BEIS. So, as you can see, may BEIS dyan. Ayan. So, BEIS, Basic Education Information System. So, click lang po natin yan. So, wait lang for a while. Yan. Once na-click na po natin, mapuproceed po tayo dito sa dashboard. Then, click nyo yung upload. Ayan. So, click nyo yung upload dyan. Then, click mo yung download GSP para makakuha po kayo ng template. So once ma-download nyo yan, you have to fill up lang po. So download the file. After ma-open nyo yan, just download the file. So ito yung sample ng file natin na latest file natin wherein dito tayo sasagot ng mga katanungan based sa ating school. So, kailangan kayo ng assistance sa ating school heads para masagot po natin yan. If may mga katanungan na hindi nyo masagot, you can ask our school heads. Then, click lang natin yung close. Ayan. So, once you already fill up, naka-fill up na po kayo dyan. So, dito, mag-upload na po tayo. Just for example, we have to upload right now. Ayan, click nyo lang yung school profile. Then, hanapin nyo kung saan nyo sinave yung iyong file. Usually, sinave ko lang doon sa aking sa aking ICT files para madali kong mahanap. Ayan, so that is ICT files ko. Then, dito, my GSP version. Click nyo lang yan. Ayan. So, once mag-green na yan dyan, click mo lang yung upload now. Okay. So, ayan. Naglo-loading po siya. Ganun lang po siya kadali mag-upload dito sa BEIS. Dito sa ating LIS. Download. Then, answer mo lang yung mga necessary fill up. Ayan. So, once you upload, ayan, school profile successfully uploaded. So, na-upload na po siya natin. If may mistake po tayo sa ating data, pwede naman nating i-re-upload. Balik lang tayo doon sa ating BEIS account. Ayan. Then, click mo lang yung dashboard. May re-upload dyan, as you can see. No? Balik lang po tayo sa dashboard. Wait lang for a moment. Medyo loading. Ayan. So, may re-upload dyan sa gilid. So, pwede nyo yung i-click ulit. Then, pwede nyo na kayong mag-re-upload ng bagong file. In case lang po ito kung may changes sa iyong BEIS po. So, that's all for today guys. Hopefully, you like our video for today. Please do like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel for more helpful online tutorial. And God bless po sa ating lahat.